Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video I have a haul, and you guys, you don't know how many times I try to film this video, but I'm glad I have time right now. So what I plan on doing is like basically hauling the items and trying it on as I go. So yeah, I got some things from Ibotta and I got some things from Colourpop. I was going to do a Colourpop haul separately, but it just didn't work out that way. But what I'm going to do is basically try on the items and then come back with show you guys some things. One of the items I already hauled, but I'm going to go ahead and try to incorporate it. Wait, hold on. Have you guys subscribed yet? Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and let's get to this video. I already primed my lips by putting some, what did I put on my lips? I put some MAC Prep and Prime on my lips, and I'm unorganized. What I just put on is the baby skin primer. I ordered my things from Colourpop first because MakeupShayla made me order from Colourpop because I have not ordered from them in a couple of years because I don't like the shipping process. Of course I want myself free shipping, but I don't think it should take years and years for you to get your shipping stuff, and then you don't get no notification until it's like at your door. Like, what the heck? How does that work? But anywho, let's not get on that. But yeah, I did go ahead and get some items from there. I also just got some random items. I'm gonna try this Maybelline. I heard a lot of things about it. This Maybelline Total Temptation bra, and I got it in medium brown. I do need my eyebrows done. I have not had my eyebrows done since August. So yeah, this little nude color is this little ball on the end, and I don't really show how I do my brows often on here because I'm not an expert. Sometimes it comes out the way I like it, sometimes I'll be like, oh my god, try it over. That is pretty much how I do my eyebrows. I'm just pulling things out of the bag. So I normally start off with my eyebrows first. And then these I got from AliExpress. I got 2 pair of lashes. I will insert how they look. But I got these 2 from AliExpress. They was like maybe $1. What I'm looking for next is the Colourpop concealer. I'm way off in the color. I don't know what I thought because I thought it was so close to my color when I ordered this. But look how light that is. But I did hear that it oxidized. This is medium 26. We're gonna see how it works. We're gonna see. Okay, so I really thought it was like super off from my skin complexion, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad at all. This is the Urban Decay De-Slick makeup setting powder. I'm setting spray. I got this because I plan on doing my little sister's makeup for her graduation, so we will see how that works out. And I also got the Maybelline Make It Last. I got this prior till, but you guys didn't see it, so I'm hauling it. It's like a haul full of primers or setting mist. So I got another one. I really thought this was like an actual primer to like what I'm trying to describe. An actual primer like the baby skin primer. When I got this, I got it from Old Navy, but nah. So what I'm gonna actually try is my Ray Ray palette. Try some colors in here right quick. I know I said I was gonna try to use things that saw new in this haul, but palette is fairly new. I'm gonna just get a couple of things. I don't know what I want to do. What eyeshadow I want to do. So my plan is to come back to the eyes. Okay, so I showed you guys the concealer on my brows, so I'm gonna actually try to use that again. I actually got another color as well in medium 20. If that was 26, imagine what 20 looked like. But we're gonna try it and see. This is definitely not a medium color. Medium wear. I heard you gotta work fast with this concealer. So let me just do my eyes, and then the leftover I will go ahead and do. That's a little ghostly. Little is an understatement. It's very ghostly. Gonna mix some LA Girl Pro Concealer with this. in my regular skin tone basically. I did go ahead and order some more because when I got this and I noticed it's not my skin color at all. I don't know if that's a fail or not, but we will see next time. I don't get the full experience of that concealer because look at me. I look so ghostly now. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about this this foundation. It's the NYX Total Control. I'm going to do, hopefully it's a full coverage foundation. If you guys don't know already, I've been looking for a full coverage foundation. And I've been hearing such good things about this foundation. So I wanted to go ahead and get it a try. So that's like 1 pump, basically. And didn't do bad for like, is that 1 pump? I don't even think that was 1 pump. It feels very lightweight too. I had to remove that concealer. Like I had to put this foundation over the concealer because I do not want to look ghostly. So I can still see like some imperfections in my face, but it's not bad. I don't know how much I paid for it. Let's see. It was $11, but I haven't got it a full, like, I don't know if it oxidized or any of that. So let's see. I'm gonna try to do like 1 more pump. I feel like I look kind of ghostly. I don't know if I'm bad lighting or what. Like, come back to me. I would set this with some, I'm going to set it with the regular powder because oh boy. And I'm just going to use the e.l.f. primer because I just feel like I look ghostly. And I will be probably trying out the other stuff when I do my sister's makeup. Hopefully we do that early enough so I can try to film that. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'm going to come back, show you guys the Colourpop stuff. The other Colourpop stuff. Okay, you guys. Unfortunately, I feel like I look crazy with these lashes on. They may look cute on other people, but I do not think they look cute on me. And I think that's the Miss have the... I don't know. I'm not feeling this look right now. I don't know how many times I want to do this video over. It's just not coming out the way I planned. It is a big no. So I just probably want to show you guys the other items and change my eye. No, I can't do this. I can't do this. I look crazy. So I'm gonna fix myself up a little bit and then I'm gonna come back and finish putting on the rest of this stuff. Okay, you guys, the other makeup was a total fail. I don't know what happened. Like I didn't like it at all. So let's just stick to what I know. I put back on my foundation I normally use right now and I'm waiting on my, what is that called? Mascara to dry on my eyes. So I'm gonna show you guys the other items I got from Colourpop. I think it was just a lipstick that was on sale from them and it was, what is this, ink blot. I love nude lipstick and that's what it is. It's just a nude lipstick. It actually, yeah, that's what it looks like. I actually think it looks a little bit like the It's My Ray Ray, a little bit. Or you can compare it to the, what is that I forgot what it's called, NYX Ibotta. Okay, and I got a couple more things. Let's see. I think Jackie Aina or MakeupShayla always talk about this lip pencil, and it is the BFF 3. I actually took another order, and I got another one of those, and I'm gonna actually use this on my lips right now. Those of you who think, like, say for instance the MakeupShayla Quickie, it is a nude lipstick, so those of you who think you cannot use wear it, just use a lip liner and it comes out totally different. It will look different on you than it does on somebody else. And I love a nude lipstick, but I don't know, like, I always make it me. So I'm just blending that in, and I got another lippy. If you guys don't know, like, highlighters and lipstick is my thing. I love it. This is Ellarie. It's a matte lipstick. That's what it looks like right there. Okay, so, and then I got another lipstick. I just was like, because I wanted to get the Ellarie collection, but I was like, let's not, because Colourpop is acting funny. This is Anyways. Yeah, name explains itself. It reminds me of Limbo. That's what it is. I'm gonna try to dry it out, but that's the one up top. So I didn't get MakeupShayla whole collection. One, because I love makeup, but I don't wear it often. And when do I have time to put on makeup? If you guys haven't noticed, half of my video has been like without makeup. So I got the lipstick Quickie, and I love it. It's like I just said, I love nude. What I'm gonna do is actually put Anyways on, and then put the, should I do it that way? No, I'm gonna actually use MakeupShayla other, I don't know, I'm going to, this is what I normally use, grunge lip pencil when I have on a new lipstick. But I also got I've been obsessed with lip gloss lately, and I was like, might as well get the lip gloss. I'm loving it. Okay, so lastly, I'm loving that lip combo, y'all. It's basically something I always do though. Yeah. And I had to get a highlighter. If you don't know already, my things is highlighters and what else? Highlighters and lipsticks I absolutely love. So I got the highlighter in Booming. So I'm going to dab some, and let's see. It's kind of subtle. You guys, I thought I was gonna have to put on another thing of highlighter, like something on top of this, but this right here is Booming by itself. Like, and normally I spray my face and then put my highlighter on, but hunty, okay, we cute, so yeah. The highlighter is definitely my favorite. I do like the lipstick, but it came up a little sheer to me. I don't know if it's me or if I had something on my lips already, maybe that, but it came up a little sheer to me. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know about this little blooper situation about what I just did. Let me know if you guys want to see more hauls like this, how I did it. Let me know what you guys want to see from me, and I will hopefully be able to produce it. And if you guys have not noticed, I switched my lashes. It's these lashes. I hauled them long time ago. I got these off of eBay, and they've been rocking with me ever since. Yeah, I'm down to my last two. I have one on my eyes right now. These are lashes I normally wear in most of my videos. Them other lashes are not for me. They're cute on other people, but not for me. But I think that's it. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And mwah!